So guys, it's really simple. As you can see, we have our raw footage in the timeline. Suppose we want to steal the color grading from this picture or footage. So let's bring it to the timeline. Then select our main footage, go to effect and search for Lumetri color, Lumetri. Then scroll down. Under video effect color correction, left click, drag and drop over your clip. Then go to effect control. As you can see, we have our Lumetri color here, and under Lumetri color we have color wheels and match. Expand it. Then click on comparison view. Now the left one is our reference and the right one is our main footage. Let's go back to project. Bring another picture. So guys, watch carefully. This is our main footage and this one is our reference image. Now to move around reference, we will need to use its own playhead, this one. Let's resize the reference image or we will not get proper color grading. Let's move to second one. When you are done, select your original clip. Then go to effect control, scroll down. This is our reference. Now if we want to steal the color grading, just click on apply match. See, before, after, before, after. Let's try the second one. Apply match. Before, after. Just delete the references. Then click on this range button and select composite video. That's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.